Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a ride back in time with the stylish and sporty 1970 Triumph Spitfire. This British classic is a true gem from the golden age of sports cars, offering timeless design, spirited performance, and an unforgettable driving experience. The Triumph Spitfire, introduced in the 1960s, was designed to deliver affordable fun for car enthusiasts. By 1970, the Spitfire had evolved into a refined roadster, known for its sleek, compact design and open-top driving appeal. The long hood, low stance, and chrome accents give the Spitfire an iconic look that still turns heads today. Under the hood, the 1970 Spitfire was powered by a 1.3-liter inline-four engine, delivering 63 horsepower. While the numbers may seem modest, the lightweight design of the car made it incredibly nimble and fun to drive. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the Spitfire provided a pure and engaging driving experience that captured the essence of classic British motoring. The interior of the Spitfire was designed with the driver in mind. Simple yet elegant, it featured a wooden dashboard, clear gauges, and comfortable bucket seats. The open-top design added to the thrill, making it perfect for scenic drives and weekend adventures. The 1970 Triumph Spitfire wasn't just a car, it was a lifestyle statement. It represented freedom, passion, and the joy of driving. Even decades later, it remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts, cherished for its charm and character. Thank you for joining us on this journey with the Triumph Spitfire. If you loved this classic, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more automotive treasures, and I'll see you in the next video.